So hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in last video we covered everything about graphic designing, and this video I would be covering canva.com, how you can create great designs using Canva. And before starting the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure to like the video and hit subscribe button. So yeah, let's start the video. When you will open your browser, you simply go on Google and here you type canva.com and visit the first link. So this is how Canva looks. First, you need to sign in because Canva doesn't work without signing in. So I am already signed in. And the best part about Canva I like is it is totally free. You don't require any subscription at all. You have to pay for some elements if you want to use them, but many of them are free, but for many of them you have to pay also. So this is the interface of the Canva. Here are these many templates you can go and features, and there are also some tutorials from where you can also learn Canva and at all. And when you will open Canva, you will have this interface. You will not see this if you are opening it first time, because these are my designs. And you can design Instagram posts, presentation posters, logos, YouTube thumbnails, anything you can design out of Canva. So let's try creating some design. You can search here anything, like for example I search YouTube. So YouTube channel art, display ad, icon, YouTube thumbnail, YouTube video ad, anything you can search you want to create. Or you can also start with the custom dimensions, or you want to edit an image, you can simply start with an image. So let's try and design a logo here. So when you will click any template, you will get these options on your left, and here are some templates which you can use for your logo designing. For example, let's see a good template. Art and let's go to fashion logo and let's design. This one looks good, so let's try to edit this one. You can also make your custom logo, but for now we are just editing the logo because I want to explain the basic stuff. So you can import any template just by clicking it. You can add a page and you can import another one, add another page, import another one. You can do it like this. For now I am like I love this one, so let's try and edit this one. So next, let us go to uploads, and here you can upload anything from your media. Just simply go to device, anything you want to upload, any image you want to add in your Canva project you are creating. You can just simply let me go to downloads and import something. Oh, mhm. Okay. Let us import this one. So when you import an image, it will come like this, and you just simply click on it and you are here. You just simply click on this and you can get this, and you can crop it according to yourself. Press delete, it will be deleted. So basically you can import, if you want an image to be imported from your PC, or you have downloaded it from somewhere else and you want it in your Canva file, you can just do it from here. And you can also search photos here, like you can import this one photo and crop and resize it according to yourself, manage this one. Okay. And you can also search, for example, I need photos of let me think. Yeah, let's search. Christmas. We are getting these photos for Christmas, and uh, I want to tell you one thing that this crown mark you will find here. It is because all the photos, all the elements are not free. For many of them, you have to pay also. This one is free, so yeah, we can import this one, and you can also import paid one, but it will have this watermark. You can see this one, nah. So it will have a watermark. So yeah, let me delete this and let me replace background with this one, and yeah, it is looking a nice background. So you can import any photos, you can search anything, and if you have a pro version, then yeah, there will not be any watermarks. I have the pro version in my another account. The reason I am explaining with you this account is because I wanted to explain this pro and free wala thing. Free, I wanted to explain this pro and free thing, so I just logged in from the another account. So yeah, you can simply import any photos, or you want to import any elements. Here are many elements. These are recently used. These are some featured elements you can import from here. There are many free and many pro. So let us import. Yeah, let us import this teddy bear. This is looking cute. You can import any elements and place it anywhere. Let's import this dinosaur. Just place it here. You can import anything you want to search. What? Let us search cat. Here are some cats, and yeah, you can import a cat also. Yeah, so you can do anything, and you can also import some other elements which you want. And here are, you can also import some shapes, like you I have imported this circle, and just go here and you can select any of the color or a custom color. You can write here a code, or you can manage according to yourself the color as per your requirement. These all are shapes, you can work with them. Or here is, you also have frames. For example, you wanted to import a photo. So yeah, here I have imported a circle frame, and let's move to uploads, and I want to upload it here. I simply drag down it here, and yeah, this one looks good. You can adjust its where you want to place, but this one is looking good, I guess. And you can place it anywhere. It's just a play of mouse. Simple. You can these are some of my uploads. I used to work with them regularly, so yeah. And I guess elements part is clear. You can go, you can import anything you want. Just type in here and you will found many things. So yeah, let's delete the stuff. And here is a text part. You can add any heading. For example, I write my name. Okay, then you can move, drag it above here, and you can just place it over here. You can also change the fonts from here. You can almost change, you can also change some colors, I guess. Nah, green. I don't like light colors on white. Yeah, this one looks good. Actually, blue is my favorite color, so I love blue so much. Yeah, this one is looking good. You can also, there are some font combinations also, like it is a white Christmas font. Just change the text by selecting all. Let's white Christmas. Let's have happy new and year. uh, it is, you can also scale it from here so that you can have it in the one line, and you can drag it anywhere you wish. Okay, let's delete this one and this also. Happy New Year. Or you can also change its font style. You want, you wish any font, you can search. And this crown fonts are also, you need to purchase them, but there are many free fonts also, you can work with them. So, and here you can upload any videos. For example, you can search for some stock videos, and yeah, you can import it from here and place it anywhere you wish to. So I guess this is clear to you now. And yeah, last one thing is some backgrounds. Canva provides some beautiful backgrounds. Even I also sometimes import backgrounds for YouTube thumbnails for from Canva only. So yeah, you can select, just click any of them and it will apply to your background. Or you want an image to be applied to your background. Where is that free one image? Yeah, like this is, just right click on it and replace background. This image is, you can select and use it as a background. So I hope you are clear with some basic stuff of Canva, and now I guess let us download this thing. You can just all three pages or a selected page you can download. I want to download page one, so just done and download. It will prepare your design and it will download this one. Okay, you can create anything using Canva. So yeah, let us try creating something. Okay, let's add a page. It is not white in color. Let me change the color. You can change the background color also. Okay, now let's move to uploads. Yeah. This phone I created on Illustrator and now I'm using it on Canva. I have imported this PNG in the upload media, and yeah, let's try out some elements from here. Let's search Facebook. Okay, okay, let's search the free one. Yeah, this one is free one. And let us place it here and let us search WhatsApp. Okay, you can place it here, and Instagram. Okay, you can create some crazy stuff, whatever comes in your mind. Just show your creativity here. Okay, I have made a phone, and yeah, you have the icons, and you can not background elements. You can import a, if you wish to import wallpaper. You can also make it by just scaling this one. You want a photo to be here, just go and oh, this one is really crazy. I don't like it. Mm, leave it for now. You can create anything. Let us try adding some text here. Okay. Mm-hmm. Welcome, little one. This looks good. Okay, just drag it here and yeah. Welcome to my channel. Um, Yash Popli. Oh, Okay, and you can have many elements too. So let's see some recently used elements. I love this one. Make sure to subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and I will put subscribe icon here. And yeah, this one is looking good. Do follow me on Instagram. I am promoting myself, marketing 999. You can use as many elements as you want. You want an emoji, you can use it too. You might be very angry after I promoted myself. So let us put an angry face. It is. Oh, it is looking. It is looking toward myself, and yeah, you are looking very angry. Okay, okay, okay. I hope now Canva is clear to you. I have cleared with the basics, and in next video I will be covering making of YouTube thumbnails, and then next, according to your needs, you can write down in the comments. And if you have liked the video, make sure to hit a like button and do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss update. Whenever I upload video, it gets to you as soon as it gets uploaded. So that's it for the video. See you in the next video. Till then, you can try making some crazy stuff and upload it to my Facebook group for graphic designer, and I will mention the link in the description where you can join my Facebook group and you can post your designs there and I will review them. So that's it for the video. Till then, yeah, bye guys.